Hello everybody and welcome to part 2 of one fun fact about every country. Last time we took a look at 66 countries and this time we'll discuss the next 65. Just as a reminder, the countries will be arranged by the land area that they occupy from the smallest to the largest. Also, if you like this kind of videos, please like, share and subscribe. It helps me a lot. So, our first contender is Denmark. Only 4 out of 10 Danes owns a vehicle, while 9 out of 10 owns a bike. So bicycles are much more common in this country than personal cars. Slovakia. Bratislava, the capital of this European nation, is the only capital in the world that borders to other countries, Austria and Hungary. Dominican Republic. It's obsessed with baseball since its introduction in the 1880s. Today, it has the most foreign-born players at 102. Bosnia and Herzegovina. Thanks to the work of an amateur archaeologist in the early 2000s, residents and government officials believe that a network of 12,000 years old pyramids exists within the country's borders. That would make them far older than the Egyptian pyramids, and Bosnia would be the cradle of European civilization. Costa Rica. Due to its location of 8 to 12 degrees north of the equator, this country is always about the same distance from the sun. That means it has 12 hours of light and 12 hours of night every day of the year, and sunrise and sunset times are always within an 1 hour period. Togo. Traditional Togolese houses are beautifully constructed from mud by hand. They come in all shapes and sizes and can look like miniature castles. Croatia is home to the world's smallest town called Hum. According to sources, it has a population of between 17 and 23 residents. Latvia is the country where, for the first time, a conifer tree was decorated for Christmas, in the style that we know today. Lithuania. The Easter eggs are not brought here by some cute and fluffy bunny rabbit. It's the Easter Grammy who does the job in Lithuania. Sri Lanka. The flag of Sri Lanka, also known as Lion Flag, is considered to be one of the oldest, dating back to 162 BC. It is also thought to be the only flag in the world to recognize different religions, with the bow leaves representing Buddhism, orange standing for Hinduism, and the green for Islam. Ireland has the oldest bar in the world, dating back as of 900 AD. Georgia is one of the most ecologically diverse places in the world. It has 12 different climate zones ranging from subtropical to alpine to semi-desert and has more than 48 types of soil. Sierra Leone. Because so many people in Sierra Leone don't know how to read, radios are very popular. About 85% of people have access to a radio and about 72 listen to one daily. Panama. From the top of this country's highest point, Volcan Baru, you can watch the sun rise over the Pacific Ocean and set over the Atlantic Ocean on the same day. Czech Republic has the world's oldest astronomical clock still in operation. It was built in the capital of Prague in 1410. Austria has the world's first zoo that was founded in 1752. Today, the main purpose of this zoo is to help on the conservation efforts for endangered species. Azerbaijan. Their currency, known as manat, looks a lot like euro banknotes with similar sizes, colors and fonts, but each note is themed with different aspects of national identity. United Arab Emirates. If you ever dreamed of walking up to an ATM and withdrawing a gold bar, then head to Dubai in the Middle East. where you can find just such a machine. Serbia. This former Yugoslavian republic was once the center of the Roman Empire. There were a total of 18 emperors born in what is now modern-day Serbia. The most famous of these was Constantine I, who founded Constantinople or Istanbul and elevated Christianity to a state-level religion. Jordan. Wadi Rum was used to film a lot of iconic scenes from films like Lawrence of Arabia, Red Planet, and The Martian. Hungary. Erno Rubik is a Hungarian that invented the Rubik's Cube. The architect never intended his creation to be a toy, but rather a vehicle for helping to understand three-dimensional geometry. Portugal is investing heavily in renewable energy, so much so that in 2016 the entire country ran for almost 5 consecutive days entirely on renewable energy powered by wind, sun, and water. Malawi. Lake Malawi is vitally important to this country. It is the fourth largest lake in Africa but contains more species of fish than any other lake in the world, over 1,000. Liberia. The flag is similar to that of the United States. The main difference is that the Liberian flag has one large white star instead of 50 smaller ones, and instead of 14 stripes like the American flag, the Liberian flag has only 11 stripes. South Korea. The most crowded flight path on Earth is found between Seoul and Jeju International, which in 2017 had about 64,991 departures, or an average of about 178 per day. Iceland. This island nation is known for being tops in a lot of per capita categories, but none is more surprising than Coca-Cola. Icelanders per capita consume more of the soft drink than any other country in the world. Eritrea has no official language, and its constitution confirms that all languages are equal in the country. Cuba. The biggest source of revenue in this Caribbean island nation is not tobacco, sugar, rum, or tourism. It's doctors. The country has around 50,000 doctors working abroad that bring Cuba some $11 billion annually. Guatemala. Belgium or Switzerland may be better known for their chocolate, but Guatemala is the birthplace of chocolate, with ancient Mayans worshipping the cacao tree. Bulgaria claims to have accidentally created yogurt some 4,000 years ago. Either way, the main fermentation bacteria in this creamy dairy product is named after Bulgaria, Lactobacillus bulgaricus, and was first discovered in this region. Honduras is part of the second largest coral reef in the world. The Great Barrier Reef is the first and is situated in Australia. Benin. Snakes are revered in Benin, so much so that they are welcome into people's homes to eat. There's also a building called the Temple of the Pythons that houses 50 royal pythons and can be visited by tourists. Nicaragua. The sky is so clear at night from reduced light pollution that stargazers can see 86 out of the 88 constellations. North Korea. Both men and women can only choose between 15 state-approved haircuts. Punishment ranges from small fines to imprisonment. Greece banned the wearing of high heels at archaeological sites in order to avoid excessive wear and tear to its historic monuments. Bangladesh. The South Asian country is very warm. So warm, in fact, that the lowest temperature ever recorded was about 2.6 degrees Celsius, or 37.7 degrees Fahrenheit, which is just about freezing. Still, in 2018, The cold was responsible for 12 deaths. Tajikistan. This former Soviet republic contains the largest glacier outside of either the North or the South Poles. Fedchenko Glacier stretches some 76 kilometers and is located among thousands more glaciers in the Pamir Mountains. Nepal has no Independence Day because, unlike most countries around the world, it was never fully occupied by Europeans. It ceded 30% of its land to England following the Anglo-Nepalese War from 1814 to 1816, but the Brits were never able to fully conquer it. Tunisia became independent in 1956, and since then the country has only ever had two presidents. Suriname, located on the northeast coast of South America, this country has only one movie theater, in the capital city of Paramaribo. Uruguay. At nearly 6 minutes long, the South American country has the world's longest national anthem. The lyrics were composed in 1833 and the music was added later in 1848. Cambodia. Angkor Wat is a well-known tourist attraction, but what is more interesting is that in 2015, airborne laser scanners found a vast ancient city buried under the jungle near Angkor Wat. They were so extensive that by their peak in the 12th century, they would have made up the largest empire on Earth. Syria. If you analyze satellite images, you can find out that more than 80% of the lights have gone out across Syria. This is partially because people are fleeing and partially because the infrastructure has collapsed because of the war. Kyrgyzstan has created the Epic of Manas, which is considered the longest poem in the world. It was written by many people starting in the 1800s and finishing with the first publication in the 1920s. Manas is a folk hero in the former Soviet Republic. Senegal. On Sundays in this West African country, the waters of the Atlantic Ocean are reserved for sheep baiting. Sheep are a prized animal in this Muslim nation and are therefore very well taken care of. Guyana. On November 18, 1978, more than 900 men, women and children living in Jim Jones People's Temple drank poison and died. To this day, this is the world's largest mass suicide. Uganda has more than 1,000 bird species and it contains 60% of Africa's birds and 11% of the world's avian population. Belarus. In this European country, the Soviet era never really ended, and Belarus is often called Europe's last dictatorship. The secret police are referred to as the KGB, and communal farming is still practiced. Ghana has the biggest man-made lake in the world. Lake Volta spans over 515 kilometers and reaches from the southwestern part of the country to the north. Romania. In 1889, Timișoara became the first city in Europe to have streetlights. Today, Timișoara is one of the most beautiful cities in Romania and one of the top tourist attractions, along with cities like Brașov, Cluj, and Sibiu. Laos. During the Secret War from 1964 to 1973, US forces dropped over 2 million tons of bombs. That is the equivalent of a plane load of bombs dropped every 8 minutes daily for 9 years, making Laos the most heavily bombed country in the world. United Kingdom. Tea is big in the UK. Locals drink in average over 165 million cups a day, but it was a Portuguese woman who first brought the drink to the country after she wed King Charles II in 1662. Tea quickly caught on in the royal palace, then in the rest of the country. Guinea. Thanks to a long monsoon season, this country's capital, Conakry, is the wettest capital on Earth. It gets about 15 inches of rain a year compared to the global average of 3.8 inches. Ecuador has the highest spot on Earth. Mount Chimborazo is not the tallest mountain in the world, but because the Earth is not perfectly spherical but rather oblate, the mountain peak is the closest to outer space. Gabon is home to around 80% of Africa's gorilla population. The country also has a giant share of baboons, with 8 out of 10 baboons in Africa found in Gabon. New Zealand in 1893 became the first self-governing country in the world to allow women to vote in parliamentary elections. Burkina Faso is home to the largest elephant population in West Africa. The country has 4 national parks, 1 UNESCO Biosphere Reserve, 3 complete reserves, 6 partial reserves, and 10 protected forests. Italy has one of the world's oldest population, with 23% of the population aged over 65 and a median age of around 45 years. The country also has one of the lowest birth rates in the Western world. Philippines. About a quarter of all overseas nurses come from this country, making it the world's top supplier of nurses. Finland in the 1940s had a high rate of infant mortality, but since 1949 the Finnish government has given every expectant mother a cardboard box that their baby can sleep in, filled with essential items like clothes, sheets, and toys. Poland. The humble but delicious bagel was invented in this European country. It's not known exactly when, but it appears to date to at least 1610 and possibly as far back as the 1300s. Oman. According to the Global Terrorism Index, Oman is one of the safest and most secure countries in the Arab world. In the latest report, Oman came near last on the list, which means it is one of the countries with the least terrorism in the world. Vietnam. One of the top attractions in Hanoi is the Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum. Here you can view the body of the country's most beloved leader, known as Uncle Ho. He was encased in glass against his will. Ivory Coast is home to the largest church in the world, named Basilica of Our Lady of Peace. It was completed in 1989 and measures 158 meters tall and covers an area of approximately 98,450 square meters. Malaysia. Sarawak Chamber on the island of Borneo is the largest known chamber on Earth. At 607 meters long, 427 meters wide, and almost 152 meters tall, it is twice the size of Britain's Wembley Stadium. This also concludes the second part of this series. The last part is coming shortly, and to make sure that you don't miss it, please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like the video.